Hi guys, maglalaro ako ng slap tower. So guys, ito pala yung para slap tower at ito pala yung blue pala yung hindi ko ma-like. So guys, ito yung tablet. So ito yung circle guys. So ito blue. Baka ako mahulog. Baka malam ako then magwalap guys. Subscribe to my channel part 2. So guys, ito pala mahirap lagi ako nahulog. Wag ikaw. Oh. Sige. Pagod ka sa akin. Oh my God. Okay guys. So maglalaro ako ng ganito.
So, I'm gonna play some Flush It
Ito
Out.
pala yung nag-slap. At ito naman nakakainis. Wala ako slap. Ay, may slap pala ako. So guys, review my comments. Comment ikaw. So mag-slap. So secret lang yan. So guys, may color dito. Ayan. Lagot ka sa akin. So guys, ito parang mahirap. Lagi ako nahuhulog.
OMG.
Oh guys, lagi ako na hindi
My cousin is recording. Just comment on my video.
So guys, ito pala mahirap na tower. So may choler dito guys. Pag gusto ko dito, pag-join friends mo ko guys. So para ikaw maging friends kita. So guys,
if you want to add me,
so guys, ito yung name ko, T Pogi. Pero hanapan mo lang, ito yung avatar ko guys. Ito guys. Ito pala yung parsa ganito. Ito pala may slapper at may troller guys. Lagi ako nahuhulog. So guys, ito pala yung slap tower at hindi ko alam kung may troller. Guys. So guys, nagre-report si sister ng video niya. So guys,
I will rate your avatar and then I will rate it 1 to 10. And
So
comment
guys,
what is your
ito pala yung slapper at may troller. Ito pala yung troller.
for 1 to 10.
So guys, ito pala mahirap. So may troller. Ito naman yung troller. Ito may troller. So ito pala yung mahirap. Ito pala yung blue. So you're going to make this to the end.
I'm gonna rate
So wala troller. So
your
let's go.
avatar. So comment what is your avatar and I will rate it from 1 to 10.
Guys, I
And if
almost
you
there
want, I will
because
add you and just
no
comment
troller.
what is your
It's peaceful.
name, okay?
Oh my God.
Comment. And
This is
and
harder
we're
than I
gonna
thought.
play some
Oh Lord,
a garden.
please. Oh my God.
Go.
Oh my God, guys.
Quiet.
Mahirap pala
We're
to.
gonna play some
Oh,
grow a
thank you
garden.
Lord. Nakaraan na.
Okay.
So guys, ito pala
This is my
yung
garden.
circle. Pero
Just
pero
a
ito
little
na.
bit.
Level hard.
Garden is
Hindi pala ako maalam magwala.
small,
Pero wala ko Robux na ubus
you
ko
don't
pala.
know that.
Ito pala yung troller. Pag nag-troll siya, gaginto ko.
They have more seeds.
So guys, may jajam dito. Pag pinindo nila to, tama, troller siya.
What is and comment what is your
Good way ha.
ouch wait.
Ito.
My hair is stuck on that. Oh ouch. There you go.
Okay guys.
And then
Ito pala yung mahirap. Ako nag-sweat dito.
I will give you.
Uni.
I'm gonna
So guys, iba pala lalaro ko. So maglilip ako guys. So slap tower to, nalalaro ko. Pag friends mo ako, ito yung username ko, Tion. Pwede tawagin ako Tion Chris, Tion 4449. So guys, ito pala yung lalaro ko. Squid Game Tower, pero natapos na ito yung iba tao. So tatapusan ko to. Okay. Ito pala yung red light, green light. So pag ikaw mo, you have to remember the ikaw na doon at puntay ka sa man at no winner ikaw. Totoo. Pag gusto mo so sa Squid Game, ito pala to. So mahirap pala to. So I'm going to make it to the end. So karma guys. So I'm going to play some troll is a spinning tower. So let's go guys. But I need to play. I have to play this one, guys. This is our journey. In Korean, that is hard. Brook Cave. I'm going to tell you a secret. That one. Yeah. This is a secret. This is a secret, guys. They have secret. So, guys, this is my avatar. If you want to friend me, it's Tion, guys. So I am a rich man, but you can see my avatar. It's blue or Squid Game, or I'm going to choose the blue. Okay, guys. I'm going to show you a secret. First, I have premium. But you want premium? I will have you premium. So guys, this is the secret. Step one. This one you open. No, this one. Okay, guys, this is our turn. I cannot see. Where's the secret? Saan kaya? Baka nasa likod. Wait. Sa bank nga ako. Guys. Ako may ganito, guys. Pag may gusto ko ng premium at friend mo ko. T449. So, guys.
No, I don't
guys. So, guys, ito pala yung secret. First sa bank, ikaw. Sana yung bank. Ito kasimple. Green card lang. Lalagay mo dito. Kay kasimple. Pero kasimple lang to. Grab mo lang to, guys, at punta mo dito. Pag na-open mo, na ganito mo, at nandito ikaw sa vent.
Yun, ito yung profile ko.
Ha?
Tika mo. Oo. Tika mo. Pwede pala.
Okay, guys, ito pala yung secret tunnel, guys. So ito pala yung secret, guys. First, ito yun. At second, open the light. At third, open mo to. At ito, dan, pwede ko mag-hide, pero may camera. Pwede din mag-teleport sa bahay. Guys, ito pala yung house na to. Ito yung secret house. Ito. Sobra. Ito yung secret.
Yun, tiga mo naman yung
Brookhaven. This one. And this one.
Ay, tinta mo yung aking profile.
Yung kanina. At nagtatak yung sister
Ay, tama
ko.
yung profile ko.
Yung ganyan, guys. So guys, ito pala yung room, hindi mo mapahid yung safe. At ikaw mag-shower. Wait. Magpawala ako mag-house. If you want to see, ay hindi pala. Ito pala yung house. Yung green na yon. Ano yung guys? Comment down below. Saan kaya yun? Hindi ko mahanap. So hanapan ko. Ito? O saan kaya yun? Magbabayad.
A garden.
Okay, guys. So, guys, ito pala yung ganyan.
A garden.
So, may VIP pala. Nawala yung VIP. So, if you want, ay, pala, may buy ako. So, lilib ako. So, grow a garden ako, guys. So, ito pala yung grow a garden. May Brookhaven pa. Naglaro ako. Pero Chinese pala to. Eto guys, mami ako to lalaro.
Naman nakaiba.
Eto guys, tatawagan ko to. Garden.
Stacy,
Ito guys, lalaro ko to. Ito pala yung lalaro ko to. May Roblox pala to. So read your comments if akin o ano pabritan mo kaya maglaro ako. At eto, wag yan, mag-teaching ko yan. Ito pala, wag yan, bawal yan, MM2. At iba na lang. Troll Tower. Okay. Okay guys, uulit ko pa to para ako magro-Roblox. At
subscribe kita.
ano yan naman? Patingin niya. Oy, parang may nagbayad na naman sa inyo. Patingin niya.
At
May binili ka na naman.
wait guys. Wala. Zero.
Saan ang bet ko?
Wala akong
Bakit
nabayad.
binibili?
Promise. Wala. Tama.
Wala naman ako. Hindi naman nakakunik ikaw So, okay.
Oh, see? Wala ko Robux.
Yun. Oh! Uy, sinubscribe kita ito. Iko-comment ko.
Okay guys. Ito pala lalaro ko. Yung slap tower pero hindi, joke lang. Ito. Pero ayaw ko. Gusto ko ito. At bopal ako. At sabi mo maganda. So read your comments if just na-play mo ito guys. So guys, ito pala yung strawberry na para siya butterfly. Pero kasimple lang to. Diba guys, natapos ko na to. So